Yeah, and I tell people the same thing.
Any of those stuff, but
Yeah, so I tell people the same thing. Like, if you want to get the best results, the quickest results, we have to make some modifications. We can still make progress, albeit slower, and it's going to be more hard or more challenging if they're not making the lifestyle choices and things they need to make. But we do an examination to make sure, one, that they're actually a good candidate for what we do. I don't want to start someone on a program who doesn't have neuropathy, so it would be no benefit to them. So that's where our examination helps us to determine is actually what is going on. Is it a true neuropathy case? And then if it's something that we can't handle in our office, I do my best to find them the best referral source to get them in the place they need to be.
Oh.
Hello there, Dr. Ole with Central Iowa Neuropathy. Today I'm here with Suzanne, and she was just telling me some things she's been noticing in her feet, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So, Suzanne, what brought you in here originally?
What brought me in was neuropathy, basically. I was getting to the point where I couldn't hardly walk, and I couldn't feel my toes, and so I saw the ad, and I thought, I'm just going to try it. I tried all other stuff, so why not try this?
How long have you been dealing with it?
With this?
Yeah.
I don't really know. Maybe a couple of years. Okay. It started out slow, but now it's getting worse.
Okay. So we've been doing treatments for about 2.5 months now. Does that sound right?
That sounds right.
Okay. So what have you noticed? What positive changes have you noticed so far in the last couple of months?
I walk better. My balance is better. I can feel, a little bit more.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So already noticing more confidence on your feet then.
Yeah, I have more, when I go to walk, I have, what do you want to say, like, you don't have to look at it where you're walking.
Oh, yeah. But you actually know where your feet are in space now.
Yeah,
good.
You do.
Mm-hmm. That's awesome. And so, like I said, just a couple of months in, been dealing with this for over a couple of years now. So if someone was debating whether to try this out, what would you say to them?
I'd say try it out.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate that.
I do.
Go ahead.
I do. And that little thing I put in the water.
The rebuilder?
The rebuilder, it really, really helps.
Yeah. Awesome. We thank you for sharing that, and hopefully this helps someone out there. Have a great day.
I hope it helps somebody too.
All right.